Magfa-firm ba ako or grace ba ako? I think the question is, it really depends on how much you can tolerate. Second is, ano ba yung impact of that person continuously doing the negative behavior? Na-affect na ba yung culture ng team o hindi naman? Kasi kung na-affect yung culture ng team, kailangan mong kausapin yung tao. And kung nag-react siya, bakit ka strict, ibalik mo lang sa na-fall na standard. Pero, my suggestion, when you do it in a loving manner, yet firm. Kasi you can please everyone eh. Pwede nilang sabihin, especially the younger generation, ang higpit naman. Yung, minsan kaya nila nasabing mahigpit, kasi nga, hindi nila nahihit yung target. So forever na lang hindi nahihit yung target. The question there is, nandun ba siya sa tamang role niya? Pangalawa, alam niya ba yung ini-expect sa kanya? Another question is, alam niya ba kung paano gawin yung task niya? O kung alam na niya paano gawin, motivated ba siya gawin? So, iba-ibang layer yun eh. Hindi siya pare-pareho eh. So, going back to your original question, it depends on how much you can tolerate, ano yung nagiging impact sa team, and ano rin yung willingness niya to grow. Sometimes kasi, wala eh. Just let go people, kung hindi talaga. Sabi nga, di ba, hire slow, fire fast. Kung hindi talaga, edi lipat mo ng department. Lipat mo ng Pero kung feeling mong may chance pa at willing to grow yung person na to, edi laban. Ako, yung nagiging normally, yung sa akin tinitingnan ko rin yung response ng person eh. Kasi kung hindi siya willing to grow, edi ba't pa tayo magsasayang ng oras? Di ba? Pero again, minsan, kailangan mo lang rin talagang maturuan, iba yung perspective nila. I'll also be as gracious and as patient. Baka talagang may pinagdadaanan. Pero if it's really super tagal na, edi, you need to make the decision. Nakatulong ba, Miss Dayan?
Yes. I mean, I'm speaking not just for me, but
Yeah.
my team.
Pero was it helpful?
It's really yun talaga yung parang, reality talaga ng team namin. I think because it also contingent din kasi siya with the industry that we are working.
Pero, ibabalance mo rin yan. Sige, pag i-fire mo, may kapalit ba? Or magti-train ka pa, maghahanap ka pa. So, ina-navigate mo rin lahat yan eh. So, as a leader, dapat alam mo, and meron ka dapat pipeline na, sige, kung sakali wala to, may next in line ba ako?